You will need to remove the trim piece at the end of the dash to access the light switch. Use a trim removal tool and gently pry away the side panel from the end of the dash as indicated by the red arrow. With the clips released, pull the panel forward and away from the dash. There are 3 metal clips on the back of the headlight switch that hold it in place. They are in the positions noted by the red arrows. You will need to carefully reach in and compress the metal clips in towards the center of the switch, then push the switch forward and out. There's nothing really sharp back there, but it's a tight fit, so watch your hands for cuts. With the switch free from the dash, pull a little forward and release the wiring connection, red arrow, by squeezing the tab and pulling it out from the switch. This photo illustrates the 2 clips on the bottom that you squeeze in to release the housing from the dash, red arrows. Gently push the 2 tabs on the rear of the housing outward, red arrows. This will release the switch and the trim ring from the housing. You can now slide the switch, red arrow, and trim ring, yellow arrow, from the housing, green arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.